Do you need to create eye-catching visuals, but you don't have enough time to create them? I have got just the tool for you. It's called Napkin AI, and it's like magic. With this tool, you can generate colorful images by just typing what you need. It's quick, easy, and the results are amazing. Let me show you how it works. So going to Napkin AI website, going here, it tells get visuals from your text. Napkin turns your text into visuals, so sharing your ideas is quick and effective. So once we provide our text, it will provide us with different type of samples, and we will be able to download one of them. And in terms of pricing, it comes with starter plan, professional plan, and enterprise plan. The best part here is professional plan is $0 while it's in beta state. I also see that there is a note that we will offer a deal for you for long-time followers. So why don't we take an advantage over this pricing? Now, if I wanted to create the visual, you have to sign in and click on New Napkin. To show you guys as an example, I have copied and pasted this text where I would like to build an inventory management web app, which includes front-end and back-end components. It also should display web mobile components and load balancer, which connects to microservices. It should also use cache along with SQL and NoSQL database. So basically, I provided all the context what I needed to create the visual from. Once you're done with your text, you need to click on AutoSpark, which will create different type of visuals for us. So you can see it created bunch of different visuals, and you need to select whichever suits you the most. So I can see, different components, different layout diagrams, different architectures, pros and cons, etc. So once you decided like this is what I want, for example, building an inventory management web app, and this is what I want, then we also have an option to select one of the styles. So if you see here, this is pretty much colorful with all the color palettes, and I like this. The best part is once you select the style, it will also give an option to edit for ourselves. If there is anything that we wanted to change, in terms of text or in terms of the color, we should be able to pretty much change anything. Once you're satisfied, again, highlight this visual, and then it displays different options to download the images. Clicking on the download icon, it shows the image format, color mode, and the background color. Transparent export. Boom. Similarly, if you wanted to write any blog post, all that you need to do is copy and paste the text with the context, and it gets us with different visuals. Now, for example, if I wanted to create an inventory management system, I have different headings like system diagram, pros and cons. Now I already have this particular image, so all that I need to do is select the system diagram image, and as part of pros and cons, if you go here and click on build spark again, so I can see the pros and cons here, and we should be able to select different styles. If you're good with this style, select that one and download PNG. And we should be able to use the same image in your blog posts very quickly and easily. And it looks something like this. How quick and easy is this? I also wanted to tell that, I will not be surprised to see something very similar, in Canva or even in Adobe Express pretty much soon. Maybe even in the Google Docs, where we can write some text and right click or highlight that particular text and right click to create the models. And boom, we will have all the visuals that are there. But until that point, I'm very happy to use Napkin AI visuals, and it's pretty much appealing. I'll be using all these visuals a lot going forward in my next videos. If you like this content, please do subscribe and like to my channel.